Hello students, how are you? I am back. चलिए आज today we will talk about something more about the trigonometry. In previous classes, I have taught you something very interesting about trigonometry, about the basics. Now in this class we will talk about the formulas. Before that, I will remind you what I have taught in the previous class. I will remind you guys. Now just pay attention with me. I had written sine square in previous class. I had written sin theta is equal to P upon H, cos theta is equal to B upon H, and tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Now, and reciprocal of the sin theta is cosec theta is equal to H by P, and similarly reciprocal of cos is sec theta, and reciprocal of tan is cot theta. I have said you all of these things. Now, what I will tell you in this class, now I am going to say about this. See, we have done this also. Learning the values, I had already said you that you must to learn the values, and I have even given you the trick. The trick was 0 divided by 4, 1 divided by 4, 2 divided by 4, and 3 divided by 4, and 4 divided by 4, and taking the under root of all these quantities. I had given you the trick, guys. Now I'll just wind up and I'll tell you something more. See, I will add you something more interesting in this. Insert right. See, what we know according to Pythagoras theorem. I'll tell you Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, we know this, that perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. We know it very well. Okay, I'll tell you that for getting, we have three formulas in trigonometry. Three formulas. First formula is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. You would have heard about it. सुना होगा इसके बारे में. Sin square theta plus cos square theta क्या होता है? 1 होता है. अब ये formula आया कहाँ से? From where did it came? I'll derive this formula for you. First of all, you will divide both side. You will divide both side by h square. Now, what this will become? P square plus B square is equal to h square. Dividing here by h square and dividing here by h square. Now, this will become as P square upon h square plus B square upon h square is equal to 1. Now, P square upon h square can be written as P upon h whole square plus this can be written as B upon h whole square. Now, do you remember guys, what is the value of P by h? Do you remember P by h? P by h is sin theta, nothing but sin theta. So this is sin theta ka whole square. P by h, see, this is P by h, sin theta ka whole square. And what about B by h? B by h bata do bhai. This is cos square theta is equal to 1. So, what we got from here, it is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So, we got our first formula. And how we can use it? Means what are the number of ways with which this formula can be used? I'll tell you that also. This can be written as sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. See, ये cos square को मैं इधर भेजा. I have just sent this cos square theta to right hand side. Now, so this is again another formula. Next formula can be made. Keep cos square theta here only. Cos square theta here only, and here sin square theta will go that side. 1 minus sin square theta. So this is again a new formula. And guys, I'll tell you these three formulas are very important. Very, very important. I'll show you in every questions that these formulas are applying, and these are very good formulas. Damn good formulas. Now, I'll tell you something more. Now, P square plus B square is equal to h square. I am going to derive the second formula. This time divide both side by which quantity? You name it. You divide it by B square. P square plus B square is equal to h square. Divide here by B square and divide here by B square. What you will get? P by B. P upon B का whole square plus B by B का whole square is equal to here H upon B का whole square. Now B upon B, this is 1 plus P by B. Tell me jaldi, P by B क्या होगा? It will be tan theta and tan square theta. क्योंकि यहाँ पे स्क्वायर है. Now what about b by h, h by b? B by h, you remember it very correctly. B by h is cos theta. So what will be h by b? It will be reciprocal of cos. भाई reciprocal of cos. Reciprocal of cos is sec theta और इसका square. So now the whole formula comes as 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. This is the whole formula. Isn't it great? Now I'll tell you, इससे दो फॉर्मूले और बनते हैं. There are two more formulas. This is tan square theta is equal to 1 को उधर भेजो. This will become as sec square theta minus 1. This is one formula. And next formula, send tan square theta this side. So if you will send tan square theta this side, then 1 यहाँ बचा, 1 is here and here sec square theta minus tan square theta. All these three formulas, yeah, all these three formulas are very important, and you will apply it everywhere. I'll tell you one more thing. In this question, in this slide only, I'll give you a question where this formula can be again used in a different way. I'll show you how. Can you see that this is a square and this is minus b square? A square minus b square. Formula जानते हो क्या? A square minus b square. बताओ भाई. This is a minus b into a plus b. Now I'll write it sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta. Now is equal to 1. Product of two brackets is equal to 1 means both the brackets are reciprocal of each other. समझ नहीं आया होगा ये बात, बिल्कुल नहीं समझ आया होगा, मेरे को पता है. Sec theta minus tan theta और sec theta plus tan theta, they are reciprocal of each other. How to be reciprocal and what does it mean? I'll show you. See, I have written sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1. अब इस sec theta minus tan theta को यही रखो और इसको इधर भेजो. Put it in denominator will be equal to 1 upon sec theta plus tan theta. See, they are reciprocal of each other, isn't it? They are reciprocal of each other. You can do other thing also, sec theta plus tan theta. You put this sec theta plus tan theta in the LHS. Sec theta plus tan theta is equal to, and put this sec minus tan in the denominator. So this will become a sec theta minus tan theta. I'll show you how to use this formula. This is a beautiful one, yeah, beautiful one. I'll show you the questions. There means they are very good questions. There are. Now next formula. The last one, p square plus b square is equal to h square. What to do with the last one? See, we have divided with h square, we have divided with b square. Now what is remaining? Remaining is p square. So divide by p square. Now p square plus b square is equal to h square divided by p square divided by p square. बहुत easy है भाई. देखो p square by p square, it will be again 1 plus b by p. Base by perpendicular whole square is equal to h by p whole square. Isn't it easy? Plus 1 plus b by p. बता दो p by b का reciprocal, p by b you know it, tan theta का reciprocal is cot theta का square is equal to p by h. P by h क्या होता है? P by h is sin theta and here it is h by p, reciprocal of p by h. So this will become as cosec theta guys, cosec theta. Okay, now again, so you got the formula. I'll again write three formulas. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. This is the main formula, and cot square theta is equal to 1 can be sent there. It is cosec square theta minus 1. Second formula. And third formula is, tell me, 1 is equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. And again I will say you can write it a square minus b square. लिख सकते हो कि नहीं लिख सकते हो? बताओ भाई. A square minus b square, you can write it cosec theta minus cot theta into cosec theta plus cot theta. You can write it like this, is equal to 1. Again I won't write, but you understood that these two multiplications is equal to 1. Means these two brackets are reciprocal of each other. I'll write just the last part. Cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 divided by cosec theta plus cot theta. Isn't it great? ऐसा हो गया भाई. You got it very correctly. Now coming to the questions. So easy questions. Yeah, so easy questions. We have already discussed it yesterday. I'll discuss it again today also. In triangle ABC, draw triangle ABC, man. Right angle at C. Okay. Right angle at C. This is C. Write down A and write down B. Now, tan A is 1 by root 3. Do you remember the value of tan when the tan becomes 1 by root 3? I remember it. A at 30 degree. When tan is 30 degree, its value is 1 by root 3. So A comes as 30 degree. This is 90. This is 30. Angle sum property, yeah, angle sum property. This is 60 degree. You got the whole value, man. You got the whole value. Sin A. A के जगह पे 30. Cos B के जगह पे 60 plus cos A, cos 30 into sin B मतलब sin 60. Just tell me the value. Sin 30 1 by 2 into cos 60 1 by 2 plus cos 30 root 3 by 2 into sin 60 again root 3 by 2. Isn't it great? 2 to the 4, 1 upon 4, 1 1 1 plus root 3 into root 3, 3 upon 2 into 2, 4. 4 4 LCM 1 plus 3 upon 4 value 1. So easy ना यार. देखो दो लाइन में बन रहा है. All these questions are just two liner questions and I'll show you the solution also. See, such a big solution, man, such a big solution. When you'll open your own books, na, you'll get this much long solution. What to do with this such long solution? Huh? Any requirement, you got it in the very first time. Very easy, very easy. I won't show you. What to do is this mic here. See, next question. Sin theta 4 by 5. Cos theta value is so easy. Oh, I'll show you, man. Draw a triangle. I'll give you an easy way. Draw a triangle. Sin theta is 4 by 5. See, you have made a triangle. Make it right angle triangle. Take any angle theta. If this is theta, then this side will become as perpendicular. Now, here, sin theta is 4 by 5, isn't it? Now, and this is perpendicular by hypotenuse. I have already said you in the previous class that whenever you will be having ratios, you can't take the direct values. You'll have to take P is equal to 4K and H is equal to 5K. Take na yaar, take na. 4K and hypotenuse is 5K. Hypotenuse is 5K. Hypotenuse की value 5K भाई. And now apply the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras लगा दोगे? अरे 4K and 5K. Pythagoras is 3K. Now, I made it directly. You do in your own rough. You got it. Now you want the value of this. Want the value of this whole thing. Here we have tan theta. I'll tell you tan theta. Tan theta is perpendicular by base. So you get it. 4 into perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base. 3 perpendicular is 4K by 3K minus 5 into cos theta. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. 3K by 5K divided by sec theta. Sec theta, man. What is your problem here? Sec theta. Sec theta is sec theta. See, sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Yeah, reciprocate it is. Means you will get 5 by 3. 5K by 3K plus 4 into cot theta. Cot theta. Cot theta. Where is cot theta? Reciprocal of tan theta. 4 by 3 का reciprocal करो. 3K by 4K. K 4 4 K 3. नहीं कटेगा. 3 नहीं कटेगा. K को K से कैंसिल किया. K and K. 5 and 5. Got it. All got cancelled. Isn't it great, man? Yeah, great. 4 4s are 16 divided by 3 minus 3 divided by this is 5 by 3 and here 3. 5 by 3 and plus 3. Now just take the LCM and solve this question. Yeah, so easy question. So easy question, man. 3 3 is 9, 16 minus 9 and you'll get it. I won't solve it. Now moving on to next question. Next question, what to do with the next question? So easy question. I won't tell. I will tell something else. See, any time when you get such a kind of question, see in the previous class only I had said you cos 90 minus theta. I have said you, I have already said you cos 90 minus theta, it is sin theta. Haven't I said you? And sin 90 minus theta क्या बताया था भाई, बताओ? sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, बताया था ना? अब always remember one thing, any question in which the angles are not standard, I am saying angles are not standard. Whenever angles are not standard, always these questions do have only two values as the answer. Only two values, either 1 or 0. 1 और 0 ही आएगा हमेशा, गारंटी. यहाँ पे 1 आएगा आंसर. देख के बता दिया मैं, बताओ. Now see how we will get this. The main trick of this question is try to convert the trigonometric ratios, half of the trigonometric ratios. What I mean, here we have numerator and denominator. Convert numerator. Cos 70 can be written as 90 minus 20. Can be written as na? Divided by. Sine can also be converted, but I won't convert sine. Means this is the funda. This is the funda, means here you have numerator, denominator, so you will convert only half. Either numerator or denominator, not both at the same time. Plus cos 55 and cosec 35. So what to do with this? Cos will be, let's just make it cos 55. Cos 55 into cosec 35. Make it cosec 35, yaar. Change. Now, for cos 45 and cosec, see in numerator, you have to change numerator and denominator here. In numerator, there are two terms. So you will change half of the term. I did not change cos, so I will change cosec. You can do either change cos and don't change cosec. You can do anything, but only half part. Don't do the full part changing. Cosec 35 can be written as 90 minus 55. Can't it be written as like this? Yes, यार, लिखा जा सकता है. Cosec 90 minus 55 इसलिए लिखा हूं क्योंकि 90 minus 55 की वैल्यू क्या होती है? 35 होती है भाई. 35 होती है. Now tan 5. See, there are many terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms are there. 5 terms are there. So out of this is a standard angle and value of tan 45 is 1. So I won't consider it for any changing. I will consider first 2, 3, and 4th and 5th. Either first 2 or last 2 I will convert. I am taking as first 2. You can do it last 2 also. So 5 can be written as 90 minus 85 into tan 25 can be written as 90 minus 65 into, see this is as a value 1, into tan 65, just let it be tan 65, into tan 85, let it be tan 85. Now see, cosec 90 minus theta, cosec 90 minus theta is sin theta. So what it will become? It will become sin 20 divided by sin 20. See, if here, if you would have changed this also, then there would not have been a cancellation, isn't it? Cancel ही नहीं होता भाई. Plus cos, this is cos 45, this is cos 55, sorry, into what is cosec 90 minus theta? बता दो जल्दी यार. Cosec 90 minus theta क्या होता है? Cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta, sec 55 divided by tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta क्या होता है? Cot. So this will become as cot 85 into this is cot 55. Sorry, 65. Cot 65. Cot 65 into tan 65, yeah, tan 65 into tan 85. You got the answer, yeah. You got the answer. Tan 85 and cot 85 cancel because tan and cot are reciprocal of each other. Cot 65 and tan 65 cancel. Sec and cos cancel because they are also reciprocal of each other, isn't it? So this value come as 1. This value come as 1. 1 plus 1. What will be the value, yaar? 2. Means see, you took only one step, two step. 2 step में answer आया भाई, 2 step में. Only 2 step answer, and I'll show you the solution. Where is the solution? Okay. See, I'll show you the solution. See, they have also done it in an easy way. Now, moving on to next question. Moving on to next question, guys. Sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20. How to deal with this? See, here it would have been easy if here sec 4a is equal to sec of a minus 20 would have been here. तो sec से sec cancel कर देते. It would have been easy, but here we have cosec. Now what to do? Then we cannot cancel it like this. This will be wrong. So what we will be doing now? You know one thing. Cosec 90 minus theta. What is cosec 90 minus theta? It is sec theta. So if I write cosec 90 minus 4a, what it will become? It will become sec 4a, isn't it? So I can write this sec 4a as cosec 90 minus 4a. And here the right hand side I won't change. I won't change. I will let it be cosec a minus 20. Now guys, now you can cancel it. Cosec cancelled. Although it is not cancelled, but for making it easy for you, you can cancel it. Means it is not right to cancel this cosec because T ratios never do get cancelled. It is only like that 90 minus 4a. This 90 minus 4a. This 90 minus 4a is equal to a minus 20. These two get equal. Now you can solve it very easy. Minus 20 here. 90 plus 20 minus 4a that side, 4a plus a, 4a plus a, 5a. So 90 plus 20, 110 is equal to 5a. 5 say 110 cancel 22 times. This implies a ka value 22. Now I'll show you the answer also. 22 answer the same way. Now moving on to T3. 27. Such a beautiful question, yaar. Looking like so tough, na? I'll solve it in very easy way. Now, see, what you have to do, you have one term, second term and third term. You have to prove these three terms. Equal. Now, I'll tell you how. Just you do one thing. Take the LCM of both. Now, taking LCM is very easy. Very easy. I'll tell you how. When you take LCM, you just multiply both. Here it is a minus b and it is a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. You just tell me na yaar. A minus b, a plus b kya hota hai? A square minus b square. I'll write it down. Sin square a minus cos square a. I multiplied both of them and then this will be multiplied to this and this will be multiplied to this. Only this is the way. This is the easiest way, yaar. Means you have to do only one thing. You have to multiply the denominator and you have to multiply the denominator to numerator, denominator to numerator. So simple. Now multiply this to this. Sin a plus cos a whole square plus sin a minus cos a whole square. Isn't it? Now a plus b ka whole square. A plus b ka whole square and here a minus b ka whole square. Now you get it very, very correctly. I won't write. I am just giving you a hint. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a plus and a minus b ka whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. How about this minus 2ab and plus 2ab? Cancelled? A square plus a square. What will be the answer? 2a square means 2 sin square a plus b square plus b square, 2b square, 2 times b square is cos square b. Cos square a, sorry, divided by sin square a minus cos square a. Now I won't solve for the last part. Taking 2 common, here it will come sin square a plus cos square a, and you know the value sin square a plus cos square a is 1. So this will become like this only. I won't solve this. And now you have to, from here you have to go here. I'll tell you. 2 divided by sin square a minus cos square. This is sin square a minus cos square a. Such a easy question these people give you, na? So bad. I'll tell you. Do you remember the formula? I had given you a formula. Sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. I had given you this formula, na? Now here we can see that there is no cos. So I have to replace this cos. So what's the formula for cos? Cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. Isn't it? Now replace this here. I'm writing 2 divided by sin square a minus in bracket what? Value of cos square. Cos square का value क्या है बताओ? 1 minus sin square a. Now, just solve it yaar. Sine square a minus 1 and minus plus guys. This is sine square a and sine square a. Both will add up. What it will make? 2 upon sine square a plus sine square a. 2 times sine square a and minus 1 will be minus 1. So easy, na? See, in whole one page, I have written first step, second step, third step. In 3 steps, I got the first and the fourth step. In 4 steps, I got the whole question 2. Whole question 2 in only 4 steps. I'll show you the solution also. I'll show you the solution. How long they have gone through. Oh my God. देखो यार, मतलब this is devastating. बच्चों को ऐसे ही डराते हैं स्कूल वाले, ऐसे ही बुक वाले ऐसे ही डराते हैं. Means they make them tremble. Such a large means huge solution. 29. I won't do every question. These are so easy questions. So I'll just save your time. Again easy question. Yeah, I'll give you the tough questions. Got it. See, I was telling about this only. Remember. 1 plus tan square theta. I will again derive the formula for you. 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. You remember that we used to pull it there. 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. And we used to write it sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. Yeah. Now is equal to 1 and they used to be reciprocal. Means sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Do you remember this or not? See, so we have the reciprocal. If I put the value of this sec theta plus tan theta as p here, what I will get? Means I can just put this value of sec theta plus tan theta p here. So if I will send this p downwards here, sec theta minus tan theta is equal to, ये p यहाँ चला गया, this p will go down in the denominator. Sec theta minus tan theta got the value of 1 by p. Now so easy question, na? So easy. I'll show you how. Now see, you have to show that this is a value has this, means p square minus 1 has a value of sine theta. I'll show you how. What you can do, that p square minus 1 is the numerator. Divide numerator by p and divide denominator also by p. See, this will be very easy. Now this will be very easy. P square upon p will be p minus 1 upon p. 1 by p will be 1 by p. Divided by p square by p, it will be p plus 1 upon p. Now see, guys, see, मतलब इतना आसान हो गया है. This is so easy कि मतलब you can get it on your, just in your mind, in your fingers. I'll say you, this is p. Where is p? This is p, yeah. Sec theta plus tan theta minus bracket 1 by p. You have the value of 1 by p, yeah. You have the value of 1 by p. Put it 1 by p. Sec theta minus tan theta. Bracket close. Divided by p plus 1 by p. P, value of p. Sec theta plus tan theta plus what about 1 by p? 1 by p is sec theta. अरे यार, sec theta plus tan theta. Now you just tell me, minus into sec theta and plus sec theta cancelled, and plus tan theta. This was minus here. Sorry. This was minus tan theta. This was minus tan theta. So minus tan theta and plus tan theta cancelled. And again minus sec theta and plus sec theta cancelled. Minus into minus, it will be plus. Tan plus tan, it will become as 2 tan theta divided by sec theta plus sec theta. What it will become? It will become as 2 sec theta, guys. 2 cancel. Tan theta. You won't tell me tan theta. I will tell you, yeah. I will tell you. Sin theta divided by tan is cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta into sec theta. I will write it as sec theta only. Sec theta into cos theta. It is 1, yeah, because sec theta is the reciprocal of cos, yeah. Sin theta. Final answer. We got it as sin theta. See, this only we have to prove. We proved it. Although it was a long question, but we proved it. We proved it so easily. Now, moving on to last question. Okay, again a easy question, yeah. This looks so tough, na? Can anyone just, means if you are watching this video, now you just pause this video and try to solve it on your own and see how much time it will take. And I will tell you how easily I will get this done. Just bring this sine square theta here. It will be sine theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square theta. You know the answer, yeah? You know the answer. It is cos square theta. It is cos square theta. Sine theta has the value of cos square theta. Now, cos square theta की value है sin square theta. Cos square theta की value है sin theta. And this is nothing but the square of cos square theta. देखो भाई, this is cos 4 theta. So it can be said that it is square of the cos square theta. Cos square theta has a value sin theta. So it will come as sin square theta. Sin theta का square, sin square theta. Sin theta plus sin square theta. क्या है value भाई? क्या है? It is 1. Proved in 2 lines. I will show you the solution of this. Long solutions, yeah. 4 lines. Such a big solution. These people, they just try to make you fearful. They just try to make you fearful. Again an easy question. I'll tell you this easy question. This last question, and this is very easy. Very easy, guys. 2 by 3, 2 by 3. What should be the common? 2 by 3. Now, in bracket, cosec square, don't get worried because of this 58 degree. You just assume it as theta. Cosec square theta minus this is cot into tan. So easy. Again easy question, yeah. I'll tell you how. See. Now see what to do. This is cot 58 now. Transform this because cot into tan. Here we have 2 figures. Cot into tan. So first 2 by 3 into, we can either transform this cot or tan, whatever you want. I want to transform this tan. Then I'll transform this tan. I'll transform this tan. This cot 58 will be cot 58 into tan 32 will become as tan 90 minus 58. Do you know this 90 minus 58? What is tan 90 minus theta? It is cot theta, yeah? So this will become as 2 by 3 into cot. This will become as cot 58. So I'm writing it direct. Cot 58 into cot 58. It will become as cot square 58 and minus 2 by 3. 2 by 3 cosec square 58. We wanted to write it like this, na? लिख दिया भाई, लिख दिया. Now see, this is 58, this is minus. Cosec square 58 minus cot square 58. We got a formula from this. I'll show you how. Now, just I won't solve here. I won't solve. I have already said you that you can transform half. See, again this tan 45 will be 1. So you have to transform either these two or these two. I'll transform this and you will write it. This as tan 90 minus 77, yeah. Again this will become as cot and tan gets cancelled. Again this will also become as tan and this cot cancelled. All cancelled, this will become as minus 5 by 3. So I'm writing it direct minus 5 by 3. Taking common 2 by 3. What we got? Cosec square theta. Write it theta, yeah. Means there is no requirement of this 58 degree. See, because here also 58, here also 58. I'll write theta for both. Minus cot square theta. Now cosec square theta minus cot square theta. What is the value of cosec square theta minus cot square theta? You know it, it is 1. Minus 5 by 3. This is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into 1 minus 5 by 3. 2 by 3 into 1 minus 5 by 3. 2 minus 5 divided by 3 minus 1, yeah. Because see, this is minus 3 upon 3. 3 se 3 cancel, it will be minus 1. So easy question. Means, guys, what I want to tell you na, कि this trigonometry is very easy. Whosoever is going to tell you, whosoever is telling you na, कि this is tough, this is not, means you will not be able to solve it or something like that. Just tell him that see this lecture and then tell that is it tough. It is damn easy, na? Yeah, means it is damn easy. In further classes when I'll take trigonometry, I'll show you everything. Means toughest question getting solved in only 2 to 4 lines. Not more than 4 lines. My challenge. Not more than 4 lines. Bye. All the questions will be get solved very easily. And trigonometry is so easy. This is damn easy. What I want to tell you, stay motivated and don't listen to anyone. Mathematics is the most easiest thing I will tell you. I will tell you how and I will solve you everything. I will show you even the toughest chapters, even triangles, arithmetic progression, quadratic equation, any of the chapter, you name the chapter. All the chapters are very, very easy. Means you will solve every question on your own. And you can even challenge with your friends. 100 रुपए की लगा लो, 100 रुपए की लगा लेना and you will win. That this is my challenge. This whole trigonometry is very easy. Watch through the videos. Just let me know if you do not understand any of the thing. I'll make you understand again. These are my videos. Here I have the constraint of the time. That's why I'm not taking it very far. इसको यहीं पे खत्म करते हैं. I'll just wind off here. So again, thank you all of you. Best of luck. Prepare for your exams or whatever you're doing. You will do great. Have the confidence. In my earlier times, I'll tell you my story. When I was a small kid, means mathematics was the biggest fear for me. I was like trembling all the time. And I used to think that what to do with this mathematics. I used to practice a lot and a lot and a lot. But I never used to get good marks. Thereafter, I did two things. First, means I started cutting off all those people who were telling me that I'm not good at it. I said, you just go off. You just go to hell. I said, then go to hell. And I then started preparing on my own. I just kept on saying myself that I am very good. I'll do it very well. And I started feeling that I have done very well. I completed whole the NCERT, RSL, all the books. And now I am here. You can see it. Mathematics is very easy. Believe me, it is very easy. Have faith in you. Don't let other people judge you that you are not good at. You will be very good. Rest, I will say you, keep on studying. If any problem comes to you, do let me know through my email ID or my contact number or this Vedantu contact number. Just let me know, I'll solve it for you. Thank you all for watching this. Thank you. Bye-bye.